right there. Or put it in the light.
No, go put them over there so we can launch them.
Yeah, they're huge, guys. All right, guys, we got another one going off. Or we got my first one, but
3,
I did record,
2,
but they didn't.
1.
You know where to go.
Here we go.
Woo!
Yeah.
Woo!
Epic.
Alright guys, FYI, this is at my house. These are my fireworks. So yeah, go check out Chronic Joker 23 channel. We upload some good content. Money is on YouTube. Alright guys, we're launching the next one. It's not the noob tube yet.
Like right
it's one of those that we just had, but it's gonna be different color. It's
here.
gonna be cooler.
On my 15.
Alright guys, we are letting another one.
These are the little Mars.
Yeah, they're called
Mars missiles. That's
are these Mars missiles? Oh yeah, these are the Mars missiles. Alright, these are 100 little rockets here. These
little
things
Mars
are pretty
rockets.
beast.
Come on.
See, there's a little spark.
Yeah, let's go. Got like.
Woo! Whoa! It's so loud!
It is cool like that. We like it loud.
Woo!
Yeah, what rebels?
Woo! Look at all the smoke! Woo! Alright guys, we are launching the Noob Tube.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
Okay guys,
We're
we got this. Part 2 of the epic fireworks show.
At my house.
This ain't the noob tube, actually.
Oh, it's not the Noob Tube. Well,
No,
it's like the
We're
Noob
saving
Tube.
that one for last.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh.
And we're watching, and we're waiting.
Fireworks show ever.
Okay, we got it lit! We got it lit! Go, 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 go!
Here we go.
This is a big one!